It's never too early to start planning your financial future. Whether you're saving for a home, a comfortable retirement, or your children's education, smart investing begins with a clear vision. Define your goals, understand your time horizon, and choose investments that align with your aspirations. Remember, a well-thought-out plan is the bedrock of financial security. Diversification is the golden rule of investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, shares, bonds, and property, to mitigate risk and capture growth opportunities. A balanced portfolio, tailored to your risk tolerance and future aims, helps you ride out market fluctuations and stay on course towards your cherished objectives. Consistency is key when it comes to building long-term wealth. Regular contributions, even small ones, can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Stay disciplined, review your portfolio periodically, and adjust your strategy as your life evolves. Invest wisely today, and your future self will thank you. Focus on your goals and embrace the journey. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.